assuming I cannot hear Paul, or he can't hear me, or I can't hear him.
Hey, good morning, good morning.
Hey, hey.
So I pulled a ultimate and stupidity move yesterday afternoon.
Oh no.
I was trading. I did a great day. I mean, great day, P&L wise. But I blew up a PA.
Oh no.
Yeah, I was trading micros like I always do. I was trading 10 micros, and I accidentally switched it from micros to minis. Didn't realize it. Put on a
Uh,
trade, and
with 10
well,
minis?
and minis. Yeah, was thinking I was in 10 micros, and I didn't pay really any attention to it. I just kind of put it on and then kind of glanced elsewhere. And by the time I looked back, it already had gone down at like $3,000.
Oh
And boom,
no.
blew it. I was like, well, that was stupid.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
So, so that one went bye bye. But
Oh.
that's the only I was saying. That's the only drawback about that chart traders. You got to be careful with that button. Very convenient, but it can also screw you up if you're not paying attention whether you're trading a micro or a mini.
Oof. That is
So
scary.
I got me a fresh eval to qualify. Got to get it back.
True. Dang. Amateur.
Yep, it really was.
Right, getting ready
It
for
really
work.
was.
Alrighty. Alrighty then.
All right. I was just looking at the NQ. I pretty much the same plan I had as yesterday, right? I still got that 850 is my kind of key level, and
Yeah, we're pretty neutral.
pullbacks for longs. I'm going to stay away from the 25,000 area. It's just been too much. It's just such an area there. But other than that, I think it's about the same as yesterday. I really haven't looked at the ES.
Virtually identical. With a slight bias to the long side, I guess, still.
Yeah, so I said slight bias to the long side on the NQ also. As long as we're above that 24,850, yeah, that's my plan. If we see something definite, we could do the micro thing.
Definitely. Well, I'd say we definitely think about that. Plan on that.
Yeah, if it plays out. But other than that, I wouldn't doubt if we don't get choppy range again today like yesterday. So.
Probably. Probably. We got unemployment tomorrow.
Yeah. And then Friday we got. I think we got some on Friday too, right?
Huh?
Non-farm
Yeah.
payroll or something. Yeah.
Let's see here. Cold choppy.
I was looking around.
I always get some decent moves yesterday in CL, but they happened after we walked away. So we'll probably still get some decent moves today in CL. See if I can figure out where that level is. Should be. So we're right around the pivot. Looks like there's a level. A little bit lower. Right there is your level.
Yeah, I got a level at what is that?
Right around the pivot. On CL.
Oh shoot, that's 6E. Looking at the wrong one. CL. I changed my charts around. Okay, it's over here. There it is. Yeah, pivot area ish.
Well, the way I look at it on CL today, we'll just trade right after bigger swings. I think we'll get a good opportunity today to do it.
At 8470 area looks pretty good. CL.
Maybe. Yes. Yeah. Actually, yeah. The stronger levels down at the pivot, but
yeah.
Then let's see, succeed. We don't really have much going on there.
Oh.
I think we try to sell this rally.
Possible short. Yeah. But just sell it if it pulls up.
We'll try to sell that rally on 6E. I don't think. Again, I don't think we have a strong bias to the long side on the indices. We just trade the swing and scale into the pullbacks with micros on the long side, or hell, we could probably go whatever. Start on the short side right now and then flip it when it gets to the bottom and scale into the long side.
Yeah, or
Possibly.
let the open happen, see what it wants to do.
Think they'd push it up? We'll see. They're going to retrace that whole news move. Up, back up the top, down the bottom.
Uh,
Okay. Yeah, we need to talk about that.
okay. Okay.
15 seconds.
Man. Probably seriously need to be thinking about the.
Micros.
Yeah.
Look,
How do you
looks
not
like it's going to go
understand
up.
it? Yeah,
There, there we go.
that's what I was just. I was just gonna
As I
say.
said that.
Wish I talked to you about the micros before the open. Mr. Predicto, let's ask Mr. Predicto. Is the market going to keep going up today, Mr. Predicto?
The answer you seek is yes.
Okay, another inside range bound day.
Oh, I guess we're going shorts.
Well, there's two options there. It could be inside range bound or
Could
shorts.
be range bound. I'm thinking range bound for sure.
Yeah.
Let this initial push go out of the way and settle into its range, and we'll do the
Well,
micro thing.
this is coming from the news, so this might actually be a short setting up now as we speak.
Yes. Yes, below. Well, you're going right into VWAP. But you got room.
I like it as a trade.
You're in between pivot and
It's
review.
setting
All
up,
right.
isn't it?
Yeah. So below 93 and a quarter.
Yeah. 93. Yeah, 93.
Hmm. All right.
Let's see. Oh no.
Ah, one tick my target. One tick my target. You one ticker?
Oh gosh.
No, that ain't gonna work.
That's not
That's
gonna
a
work.
loser. It's a loser. I think I'm breaking the pivot.
Nice little fake out there, huh?
Mm-hmm. It's not done. It's gonna break the pivot and go up. Although we are getting overbought. Forms an M on the smaller tick chart. Should probably take this again.
I thought we had an M forming on a smaller tick chart.
Well, it's forming again. Just a little bit higher, right off that. I was a little on the fence about that with the VWAP being right there. It was kind of squished in between the
Should
two, and I
holler
thought,
at me.
I did say that. Did you not
You
hear
did
me?
say
I guess
VWAP,
you
but I
did.
was like,
Okay.
This
That was
is
the only
supposed to
thing
be
that had me kind of on the fence with that, but that's all right. Now you're
Well,
getting a cleaner setup.
I mean, it's set up
Now's
right.
a short.
Yeah, it's kind of short now.
Now's the short. We wait. You know what? Let's do this. Where is that account? Back up. Wants to break that pivot.
Yeah, this is ugly. I'm not touching this right now.
And we're gonna wait.
Yeah. Possible CL long.
Well, choppy chop chopster. Break of that pivot. Yes.
Yeah, I mean, the dudes did hint at up for a minute. But again, I think we're looking at the range, chop, range.
Yep.
All right, let's see here. Wow. Not a lot of action take anywhere. I still think the CL long's worth looking at, man.
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. I was just staring at it. It looks like it, but it looks like it kind of already made its move.
It tried and then it pushed back down just a minute ago.
Yeah. I think now it needs to be
Which
above.
doesn't give me a lot of confidence in taking any trade, considering that a perfectly good short failed, NQES, perfectly good shorts, good setups, failed. When that happens, man, I tend to get really conservative because that's two losses that NQ and ES this morning that I, oof, painful.
Oh, you took that out. You were on NQ on the
I
other
did
one?
both.
Oh crap! Oh yeah, no,
ES
I
and
took
NQ.
I took the ES and micro, so I didn't lose much at all.
Good for you.
Yeah, no, I'm not pushing this. I had a good day yesterday, other than blowing up that stupid PA. Like, God, that was so stupid. Oh, what a dumb move that was.
Bonehead.
It sucks too. I mean, at least if I could say, well, it was just a bad trade, or I did something wrong, but it was just a freaking. Just thought I was in micros, but I wasn't. Doesn't take long to blow an account when you got 10 minis on there.
Nope. Sure don't. Sure don't. Nothing to see here, people.
Not a darn thing. I was just about to say the same thing. There is nothing to do here. If you're trading this, more power to you. Maybe a breakout here. I'm just talking out loud at this point. Break of the. Man, there is a lot going on here around 125 on the NQ. I mean, a breakout of that would be.
I mean, you definitely could probably see some movement above that.
Mm-hmm. See what happens.
Still think that CL Long's there. They just shoved it down. They did twice. Shoved it down to reverse it back up to get, or reverse it down just to get stops, and then took it long.
Looks that way.
NQES. They took stops to push it back down. I mean, we're going to end up with the day we thought we had. It's we were going to have. It's just, I don't think we're going to get a lot of setups this morning. And I have to use A plus only now because I had 2 losses already.
Yeah, got to be patient.
So this might be one of those days where we make our money after the morning session.
This is going to be tough to trade.
I mean, I got all day today, so.
Uh-oh. What's going on here? Why is it not?
Say what?
Trying to figure out something going on with my machine. All right, let me disconnect here. Let me reconnect. I got a little lag going on. That's bizarre.
Long possible.
Long.
Well, I think we can start looking at pullbacks as a ability to scale into the long side of things.
Yeah, it's starting to break out of
For
this
the
little chop
micros.
area. I could get on board with that game.
Get a bit of a push down, then
Well, that was your little bit of a push down, I think, on the NQ. I was trying to see if we could put a micro on long there when it came down here.
that's what I wanted to. I just didn't get there fast enough. Maybe start thinking about adding one here in a second, or getting one on, or closer down around the pivot.
Something's going on here. I tried to put a micro on. It's not letting me put it on. All right, let me figure out what's going on here.
Could probably try a little bit lower. Maybe. It's probably. Try to get one on maybe a little bit lower here. Or do it now.
Yeah, I was gonna say we could probably get a bounce here.
I'm not excited about any of this, really, to be honest with you.
No, this is. We're just trying to find a trade at this point, honestly.
Can do anything with GC or MDC. Told you the long was there on CL. They just went down and take stops. That's all they did.
Oh yeah, boy, we missed that. Yeah, that was the area too. That's what I called that earlier. Remember?
Yeah, I knew it was gonna be a long on CL. I just didn't know that was a hard one to get into. Looks like they went and stops on both sides of that CL trade too, and then they took it north. I knew that was going to break down at some point on the ES and NQ. John, you might be looking at a long come up here on RTY. I got a level down here. We might be looking at a long over here. Do we add here?
Yeah. This is a level where you could probably get a long on. I mean, I don't really like it. Come back down that 25,000, it looks like.
There's a level here on the ES as well. I mean, there's a long setup happening. Do you want to look at it?
I think it's got, yeah. I mean, you could probably put a micro on here if it bounces above this.
Let's see.
It's going down still.
Huh?
I can't trade this. This is just, I mean, I can't even really put a micro on long here because it doesn't. Looks like it wants to come back down to 25,000.
That's a long setup on the ES, but it's also could be a short setup too.
I was gonna say I can't take that. It just doesn't. We sit on our hands. We gotta sit on our hands. I just don't want to give any money away, especially after that one little loss this morning.
I'm not going
Yeah.
to do it again.
I'm okay with waiting. We'll get the right setup at some point. It'll happen somewhere. I gotta restart my window, my Ninja, because it's not. Not letting me do anything.
So
Let's
we
try it
think about
again.
adding one around 25,000 then.
Yeah, I think it's coming down to 25,000. I mean, you could have shorted it down there. To be
Yeah,
honest with you.
I was already committed to the longs on the.
Yeah, me too.
Scaling in.
My bias is long, so I'm not. But could have definitely shorted it down there, no problem.
I'm too heavy right now. I got in on the first pullback and the second pullback on the smaller tick chart. I'm trying to decide if I should add one here or not. Ooh, GC just dumped.
Oh, you are in the long?
Yeah,
Oh crap! Yeah, no, no.
yeah. I started adding on the pullbacks down here. This seems like a sensible area to add one, though, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Or did I just miss that? I don't think anything was missed there.
You reboot my Ninja. Well, there was your bounce right off about 19.
Yeah.
No.
Well, I was just about to say that. I was like, okay, we got a long happening, but it's the same thing as before.
There it goes.
They have fake out long, and then look at this garbage.
Complete garbage.
All right, I got to break even and close out the micros.
I think it's best to just sit on hands right now.
Well, that's what happened just now. I got to break even, close the micros out. So, um, let's see. CL is crazy. Don't touch that. GC not tradable. Nothing on 6E.
No, RTY, maybe a
RTY.
short,
Nothing. I'm not touching that.
maybe a micro position short. You could do the micros on the RTY.
Yeah, it's true. You rack up some pretty hefty micros on RTY.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you could layer a ton of micros on the RTY. I got a crap ton of lag, man. Like 4 minute lag. I don't know what's going on. Oh, what's happening here? What's happening, hot stuff?
Four-minute lag?
Yeah, 3 minute and 3 seconds. Minute 29 seconds coming down. There it
Sometimes I wish
goes.
I had lag just to
Just be able to have a reason not to trade.
keep me out of the trade. Keep me out of that trade.
Anybody in anything? Anybody in here in a trade? I'm just curious. Nada. Caught a GC long. Okay. Small tick. All right. I mean,
long.
there are probably some scalps here. I mean, just not what I want to trade this morning, but GC long was if you caught that GC long right down there at the bottom,
Yeah,
that's
short. There you go.
the CL would have been a really nice long. We just missed that one. Actually, that's one I
I
wanted
don't think
right
that
there
was
at
a
that.
miss. I really don't think so.
Really?
'Cause,
I mean, at that
well,
level there,
look. So the trade setup was here.
right?
It would have popped you into the trade,
Probably
and
would have
then
took
it
you
would have
out, man.
immediately
That would have
gone
took
down
you
and
out.
taken your stop out.
Yeah.
And then the trade was after that, which has been happening lately.
I think we should do micro short on the RTY. I think it's going down.
I'm not set up for RTY micros yet. Oh
Uh,
wait, I am.
I thought you had his
I
chart
do have the
trader
chart
installed
trader
on there.
on. I go
Yeah.
to the micros. You want to try it?
I think so, right? Doesn't it looks like a short. Let it pull up again and because anything else is nothing here. Nothing to see here.
Nothing to see here. Nothing to see. Nothing to see. Let's see. Let me think about this. See why micros. I don't think I want to do. Oh wait. So I don't know. Let's think about that R2Y micro play for a minute. I probably feel pretty. You must select an ATM strategy to place a new trade.
Yeah,
What?
you got to have a one ATM strategy set up,
Oh my god.
or just keep your regular two and then just change the quantity to one. That works too,
Well, I use 3 on RTY.
or three, and then just change it to one. That's what I do. I just change it to one. That's it. That'll that'll give you. I mean, it'll put your stop at your target stop at your first target, but you can move that. All right, I can break up.
Yeah, and there comes the longs. I don't know about this short. Let me. As we thought earlier, longs were the way to go, but geez, how the
Mm-hmm.
freak do you get into this
But
shit?
who's gonna? Yeah, it's like who's gonna?
Um, I don't know. I'm gonna go get some water. How about that?
That's probably a good idea. Just can't trade this. Just can't. There's nothing. Nothing. I don't even want to do it with micros. I mean, maybe on a small NQ tick chart, if it pulls back to that 77 area long, but this is going to come up here and break this, or a breakout up here above the Globex. I mean, that's the only thing I could think of. There you go. I did jump on that one. I went out there way. That was a good trade, actually. Right as I said it, it happened. I don't know if anybody was quick enough to grab it.
Well, dang, I should have added where I wanted
I,
to add down there on that
yeah,
micro.
I was literally talking through it too. I go, the only thing I would take is a breakout of the overnight high. It's right as I said it, it happened, literally. And I just pushed the button, did the buy button. And it's coming right back to the Globex high.
Man, I should have added where I wanted to down there.
What happened? Oh, man. That didn't work well.
Okay. Possible GC short coming up.
Interesting. Possible.
Or MGC short.
Possible. We're in that area. Oh, man. That thing's dumping.
This is just taking people's freaking
Mm-hmm.
stops left and right. This is novice. Get your butt chewed up. I am smart enough not to do that.
Just stay out of it.
I'll take
Yeah,
my 2 losing trades and take my lumps on the chin and
that's what I say. It's
come
not
back
worth
this
it.
afternoon, and we got a brand new day. I'm almost tempted to say that. It's like, let's leave and come back later. Screw this.
I mean,
I don't have
it's
anything
pretty
to
ugly.
do. I don't have anything to do today other than trade with
No.
you. So
Yeah, it's pretty ugly.
we give it another 10 or 15 minutes, and then we say we come back after 11.
Yeah, we can see what happens. If it doesn't,
I don't want to trade this. I can tell you that.
no.
I'd rather go make me some breakfast or something.
Food. Food's always
Go
good.
make me some food.
Nah, this is. That was it. The only thing I could think of was that breakout above Globex, but that's done. I just don't. There's nothing else.
I mean, possible MGC short. That's it. I don't think I'll touch CL after the way it's been acting this morning.
Yeah.
And I don't think I don't think it's a safe environment considering that CL is acting the way it is. I'm assuming the markets aren't going to be acting very very nice either. I'm assuming there's some kind of news coming out right now causing CL to go crazy the way it is. I mean, look at that wick. Look at that one candle. That should tell you right there. Don't trade CL right now. Don't do it. And what started to be a massive down on GC has turned completely around. So that's probably not an easy trade. Our 6E short, the one we should have taken, we missed. That's a missed trade right there. Did that happen when I stepped away?
Mm-hmm. Wasn't even looking at that. You're right.
Oh, that happened right when I stepped away too, didn't it? But that was a fast setup. It went from 0150 to like 20 seconds. That 30 seconds that trade made out fast.
Take a 30-minute break because I don't.
Yeah, that's
Again,
what
I
I'm
think
saying.
that-
Let's get
I
back at
think
like
the-
11 or 10:45 or 11.
Yeah, because I think the only thing we're gonna do here is just
Screw something
do
up,
something
man.
stupid.
I've already
Yeah,
had 2
we're just
losing
gonna do
trades today. I don't want another one.
Yeah, I mean I'm down slightly with that. I got a
Well,
win
did
there on
mini,
that breakout.
So I got my butt handed to me.
Well, I mean I was down like $150, but I got about half of it back on that
Well,
breakout.
Try multiplying that times 5.
Yeah, that's ugly.
Times
Yeah, I
6.
would be breaking too.
Yeah, that's the other reason I want to take a break. Lick my wounds and come back in a little while. I don't want to lose in trade. And not another one at least. That was 2 accounts that got full stop losses. That I
Yeah,
had to
short.
physically take. So I can't do that again today. About 1,000
That was
down is
me.
my factor.
Yeah, that was me last week. I took 2 losses on 2 accounts, full max. I was like, whew, I hadn't done that in a long time.
$1,000 down? No, gotta stop trading. Yeah, let's come back like 10:45 or 11.
All right. Yeah, I got a couple things I got to do anyway. So, all right, do
I'm
it.
just gonna leave this
Back.
one and then
Yeah, put a break sign up.
yeah.
I'll be back in a little bit.